Did you know not all stocks are the same? Here are the most common types every investor should know. First, dividend stocks. These companies share part of their profits with shareholders through regular dividend payments. Next, growth stocks. Instead of paying dividends, they reinvest earnings to grow faster. They can deliver strong returns, but often come with higher risk. Then there are value stocks. These are companies that investors believe are trading below their true value, offering potential long-term opportunities. You'll also hear about blue chip stocks. These are large, established companies with strong financials and long track records. Finally, defensive and cyclical stocks. Defensive stocks tend to stay resilient during economic downturns, while cyclical stocks usually perform better when the economy is growing. Remember, one stock can belong to multiple categories. Understanding these stock types can help you build a smarter and more balanced portfolio. Follow SuperEx for more investing and trading insights.